Hello everybody, welcome back. Yeah, today another out of the box picking video, and I really went all out. I mean, this lock cost me €4. Got it on the flea market, and yeah, I'm just keen to find out what's really in here and how this picks. I've never heard the brand, and yeah, only Cyrillic writing on the front and on the back. If you can read anything here of importance, please let me know in the comments. Yeah, otherwise, yeah, let's try to pick this quickly, and maybe we can even gut it afterwards. So this is super light, and does it even work? Oh, super gritty. Oh my god. Oh no, we can even gut it. Oh, hopefully not. Okay, this turns super rough. Oh, this will be a mess. Let's decide which side to pick. Oh, let's pick this one. I think it doesn't really matter. But let's get to it. So, putting it in a vise and making sure it's still working. I see it failing any second now. Okay, let's grab a tensioner, something like this, and a flake. Maybe this one. Yeah, let's see. So tooth binding, or was binding. No, still is. Click on 2. Okay, I got some counter rotation on 2, and I don't think I should feel that. Let's restart. Oh, sorry, I didn't set the focus. Let me do that now. So I just restarted, and now off again. Okay, 2's binding. Not anymore. 3's binding. Not anymore. 4's binding. Still binding. What about you 4? Come on. The feedback is horrible. Okay, that was 5. 2's binding. Good click. Whatever that means in that lock. Again 2. Okay. Come on. Okay, 5. 2 again. 1 is binding now. Okay, just brushed over it and stopped binding. And 5 is binding again. Okay, got it, I think. Now one is binding. Okay, and we're open. Oh boy, that lock feels so wrong. So let's turn this first to position. I can put a pinning shoe in. And I still need to remove the C-clamp, I just noticed. So let's go back a bit. Yeah, I will just fast forward here. Okay, welcome back from fast forward, and yeah, I should have called it. I should have called skeleton core and blob pins, because that's what I was thinking when I hold it in hand, but I didn't, so here I am. And yeah, I mean, this is just as cheap as it goes. It's a 5-pin core, and with skeletonized we say that yeah, you see all these chambers here in between. This is where you don't really need material, and they just, yeah, they just cast this whole core, I think, and save a lot of material by just having it that empty and not like a full cylinder. Yeah, cheap as it goes, and still it kept me out a few minutes. And then, yeah, of course, the classical blob pins. All key pins are standard, and I don't think there's anything special to them. But if you look on the drivers, you see, yeah, I don't know. It's just the blob pin in perfectness, and by that we mean it looks somewhat like a spool or so, but just also just like a piece of copper wire that was just compressed on both sides to fill out its chamber or so, and this gives you some spoolish feedback if you pick it. And yeah, the whole thing's just as cheap as we would have expected. So yeah, really tough challenge for me. No, I don't mean that to be proud of myself, but just to undermine that I just spent €4 on a cheap lock and sold it as a challenge to pick it out of the box. Still is. Cheap locks can always trick you, but yeah, in the end, I think you pay what you get what you pay for, as people say. So yeah, if you're still here, thank you very much for watching, and if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So have a great day. Bye.